Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily view recently deleted messages on your iPhone. Please friends, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video, write your comments, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, you will need to open the messaging app on your iPhone. And then, folks, when you get to the main messaging page, you're gonna have to click on the top left-hand side of the page. You're gonna have to click on this filters option. So you will go to the list of possible messages, like unread messages or all messages and so on. And at the bottom, you'll see the deleted one. Click on those. And so friends, this will take you to a list of your deleted posts from the last 40 days. Friends, all the messages that you delete on your iPhone are stored in this folder for another 40 days. That is, they are not permanently deleted. And after 40 days, they will be deleted automatically and permanently. If you want to, for example, delete these messages if you have a lot of them, let's say they're clogging up your memory, you'd like to delete them. Then you go to this deleted folder, you can check the box, and then at the bottom click delete. You can also restore any of the deleted messages until the 40 days expires. To do this, you need to also check the message. You can check more than one. You can check only one and then click restore at the bottom right. This is the way, friends, very simple and quick way you can easily see your deleted message on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please write your comments below this video, put your likes and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.